silhouette pose, and today we're going to learn how to properly walk around the pole. So, this is your inside arm, this is your inside leg. This is your outside arm, this is your outside leg. Now, you want to take your inside arm, put it at least above your head. Don't have it like at the same length as your head, because then you're going to be walking around the pole like this. You want to have it high. Now, because you want to accentuate all your curves. Now, the next thing is your feet. Now, this is the base of the pole, so you want to have your feet on an angle. Your body should be at a 360 angle. And when you start to walk, you start with your inside leg. 1, 2, and you extend your weight while you're on your tippy toes. Now, at the same time, you could be learning the art of seduction. So the other thing is, like, wherever your audience is, your camera, you want to make sure you're looking at it. Even when you turn, look back at your audience or your camera. Now the next thing is the switch. So when you want to switch arms and go the opposite way, you want to make sure your hand is still above your head. Now when you walk, wherever you want to switch at, you take the arm, figure 8 your wrist, your hips. So you swing your hips, like, so when you're walking, you want to swing and then switch. Because you want to keep fluidity between every move. You don't want to just go from here and be like, You go walk, sexy, swing, switch. Keep flow in your walk. And then you go, change for me. For me. And it's the figure 8, by the way. So we got the switch, we got the actual walk, and then when you want to add your attitude, you can touch your body the way I was doing it. So you just, and make sure your hands are like really straight. You don't want them to be like this and then you just touch it. Flatten them out, straighten, and touch. And when you touch it here, you bring it out and then bring it around. And you can swap your head, swing your neck. So, the next video I'll be showing you how to do it with heels on, because it's like heels are heavy, and then you got to understand how to walk with the heels, because you can't just walk, you have to glide with the heels. So that'll be the next video. Catch you then.